Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and can blackberry jelly. First, select about 8 cups of perfectly ripe, firm blackberries. This ensures maximum flavor and natural pectin. You'll want to gather all your canning supplies, including jars, lids, and a water bath canner. Sterilizing your equipment thoroughly is a crucial first step to prevent spoilage and ensure a safe, delicious product. This preparation sets the stage for a successful jelly-making experience. Next, gently wash your 8 cups of blackberries and crush them to help release their natural juices. Place the crushed berries into a large pot with about 1/4 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a simmer and cook for approximately 10 minutes, or until the berries are very soft. Then, carefully pour the cooked berries into a jelly bag or cheesecloth-lined colander to extract the clear juice. Allow it to drip for several hours, or even overnight, without squeezing, to ensure a clear jelly. Now, measure exactly 4 cups of your clear blackberry juice into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add 7 cups of granulated sugar to the juice and stir constantly over high heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the mixture reaches a rolling boil that cannot be stirred down, quickly add 1 pouch of liquid fruit pectin. Continue to boil vigorously for precisely 1 minute, stirring continuously. This rapid boil is essential for activating the pectin and achieving the perfect jelly set. Finally, carefully ladle the hot blackberry jelly into your prepared, sterilized canning jars, leaving exactly 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims of each jar thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth to ensure a proper seal. Place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them only finger tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes. After processing, remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours to allow them to seal completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.